Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forbes Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have a case for the iPhone 14 Pro Max. But before I get into this video, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I have a UAG case for the iPhone 14 Pro Max. This is the Essential Armor series. I decided to pick this up. It is supposed to be, for MagSafe charging, 12-foot drop protection. I need to give a shout out to UAG for providing this case to me for a review. Like we normally do in my case reviews, we'll make sure everything lines up. How does everything fit? Does it have bulk to your phone? And can you, do wireless charging? But again, UAG has some of the best presentation out there. It says built-in magnet for MagSafe. There you go. You can see the back. If y'all want to pause that, y'all can definitely do so. So here's the case itself. UAG. I do like the little grip back there. Gives you some grip to hang on to. You can see the volume rockers and also the alert slider. That's for the MagSafe. Then you have the power button. The cutouts. Let's see how this thing fits. Now, the first thing I noticed is the corner protection you will get. This drops, hit the corner. You don't have to worry about your phone getting damaged. The second thing I noticed is that you do have lip protection all the way around the case there. You also have the camera cutout. It looks good. Black and purple down here lines up great. I love that color combination. Then you have the alert slider here. It's easy to get to. Not a problem. The power button feels great. Really easy to press. The volume rockers are also easy to press and easy to find. Does it add much bulk? It does add some bulk to your phone, but not over, it's not too bulky, but it's definitely not the slimmest case out there. Let's see the overall fit. Nice and snug. The bottom is a little loose down there, but again, it goes back. And the size and the top, the size are really good. No issue there. Just look at it. Well, yeah, I love the black and purple. Really do. But this is the case. If you decide to pick this up, this is what you get. Can you wireless charge? And it won't fall off either. That's actually good. I don't know, do iPhone users actually sit there and charge their phone like this and do stuff? I guess y'all do. I might have to get into the habit, but so the wireless charging MagSafe thing works great too. If you want to pick up this case, I will have the links in the description. You can get it from Amazon. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forbes Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out. You have a great day.